Alright. Alright, let's check this thing out. There's buy side liquidity sweep. Alright. Yeah. Let's see. I was looking for a buy side hunt. What are you guys doing today? We should short now. Honestly, I'm expecting a dump. I wanted buy side taken out today, which we just took out. 1, 2, 3 relatively equal highs. Giant wick. So the goal here is, will price action continue going lower into this guy right here? That's what I'm trying to look for. I am gonna play different today. So I normally look for a market structure shift, but Apex just went on a 90% discount. So I'm trading all Apex accounts, like evaluations. I'm gonna scalp. I will not be recommending you to copy anything I do today. Today is just pure scalping. I'm looking for just quick in and out 50 ticks. So I know the videos are always like 10 seconds behind, so I do not recommend you do it, because by the time I get in, I'm probably gonna get out by the time you see it. So it's in and out. Now, however, I will be looking for that A plus setup today. And if there is an A plus setup, I will alert it. I will like say, hey, like this is actually what we want to see, and this is an actual risk I'm willing to take. So just so you guys know. Swap accounts here real quick. I do think this drops. I really do. The problem with that is, can I get an entry, right? I'm looking for an, I don't know, I don't just want to just short here and put a stop loss on top. I don't. I want to have at least some reason for me to jumping in. What's up, dude?
Yo, yo,
We just passed our first Apex account.
just now?
Yeah, just now on this pull, on this pump.
Nice, nice.
So
What was your reason for entry? Were you longs on the way up?
I took longs beforehand. The reason why I took longs because I was looking for a buy side liquidity sweep, and we had relatively equal lows. So I saw this guy right here at the bottom. Oh, here, let me stream it. I saw it as a sell side sweep, so I took longs and I put my stop loss at the lows. Right now, I'm interested in shorts right now. I do feel like price action is gonna want to target the 5 minute for value gap. I just I'm wondering whether if I should enter here and then put my stop at the highs, but at the same time, that's not how I usually play, so I don't want to take that risk right now. Unless I were to enter off the order block, enter at the mean threshold, put my stop at the high. But in reality, I'm not gonna do it just because it's not the setups I normally look for. I'd rather scout with like a reasonable um, entry.
Yeah. Apex account.
All right. While we wait for price action to do something, what are we interested on today? Let's go ahead and start targeting this guy here. I'm gonna pay a lot of attention to this consequent encroachment daily wick candle. Then we have, let's see, previous day high. We also have previous day low. We have consequent encroachment of previous day's giant wick. So that, obviously that's a main target. That's something that we'll like to see get hit. Right? Now what else do we have? So this is target for longs. Let's take away this magnet. I hate the magnet. See in 5 minutes. We're going to like this. 50% already. Where's Wesley? Still asleep? Expectations here for a drop. Oh shit. Let's see. Well, 4 hours bearish for value gap, consequent encroachment. We can expect the drop from here. This guy got disrespected with a small breaker. So this one's on inverse right now. So we'll see if price action wants to come down here and bounce from here, which is not bad because this is previous day low as well. So we can expect price action to probably do this and then continue going higher. That's an expectation as well. High probability. So we'll have to pay attention here. So I'm gonna go ahead and mark this one out. Actually, we're gonna mark this guy out, and then we're gonna put 4 hours slash 4-hour BISI slash inverse for rally gap. So we know that we have an inverse for rally gap with it as well, as you guys can see. So we'll definitely leave it like this. We'll have it shaded in. On the 1 hour, I like this for rally gap here. It broke structure and the trend hit the external highs. So I'm gonna pay attention to this one. 1 hour for rally gap. And then let's see, what else do we have? So lower time frame, if we're gonna aim for shorts, I'm aiming for consequent encroachment off of this 1 hour. If this 1 hour were to be disrespected, then I'm also aiming for daily consequent encroachment in wick, which means this white line. And then I'll be looking for the previous day low, right? So if we were to take shorts, those are targets right here. So our main target either way is going to be the 1 hour and the daily consequent encroachment. So it's going to be in between here. This is our main target of the day. So if we were to take shorts, that's what we're looking for in runners, right? We secure profits at 2-to-1 ratio, but then our runners are going to be trying to get down here, which is quite a bit, honestly. So we're looking at about 1,000 ticks, right? But is that really gonna happen? Possibly not. So we're interested somewhere around this area, but these are runners targets, so we always want to be open-minded for everything. We have an inverse for rally gap here at the daily consequent encroachment, so that's a good thing because we expect a rejection around this area. So that's why we have targets for longs here. On the 15-minute, another confluence. We have SIBI with a couple inverses, so I'm not gonna mark them. They're not important as much as the daily. So I'll be looking for rejection here. I'm trying to look for something to take a rejection here. That's what we really want. We know that buy side liquidity just got swept right here. That was pre-market high. Pre-market high. And we got pre-market low. Pretty down here. So that's pre-market low. So I normally choose the bottom candle of the Tokyo range and then the top candle of the London or Tokyo. It doesn't matter which one's top, but it has to be between Tokyo and London. Same thing with the bottom. Doesn't matter if London's lower. That's pre-market. Anything on the blue zone is already New York for me, starting at 8 a.m. So now what we're looking for right now, what I'm waiting for, I'm waiting for the 9:30 10 a.m. to show me a high and low range. Then that becomes my external high and it becomes my external low, right? So this is what we have at the moment. But we still have time. It's barely 9:40. So we got 20 more minutes, so we got a couple more candles left. If price action were to pump, right? We close above and then we automatically reject it. That right there is a sign for buy side liquidity hunt. So then I'm gonna be looking for shorts. I'm gonna be targeting the low, right? So somewhere for a market structure shift on the lower time frame. That's what I'll be looking for. So I want this guy to be disrespected, and then we want it to counter, right? But we do not take a trade till after 10 a.m. So we still got a couple more candles left. So we're gonna stay patient and just wait for that. We gotta let price action just tell us what it wants to do. Now, the one thing about this is that we have a break of structure here. This could also be a rally gap. If price action continues going higher, then it's most likely going to come back down and have some sort of rejection here. So the question here, is the risk valid? And the answer to that would be is if we do not target the daily consequent encroachment wick and it does not get mitigated, let's say for example it bounces like this, we create a rally gap, then it comes back down, consequent encroachment, we can target this. So we can risk it. Even if it's a win or loss, it's a valid risk, right? So that's the whole point of this. Do we have a valid risk? But if price action mitigates it first and then drops, I don't want to take it. It's not worth the risk because now I do have a target up here, right? Where we can extend it. But the question here is, will price action actually want to target that? And I'll rather find another BISI. At that point, I'll rather mitigate this guy. So now until then, we'll just stay on the sidelines and we'll wait. Let's go into the daily and see if we can find the highest. All right, so we have, so let's just do this instead. This is buy side liquidity and apparently about an order. Oh shit, I think it's because I pressed the wrong button. Yeah, it's press the wrong button. All right, this guy right here, buy side liquidity. Let's see. Yep, I did buy an order. That was weird. Actually, I need press E or L or BIS apparently. I don't know which one. I'm not gonna test it. Automatically bought and sold. All right, let's go ahead and tap into the other one. So this is for NQ, right? Now, let's see if we can do something for ES. All right, so ES seems like it's breaking all-time highs again. Is it all-time highs? Yeah, it's all-time highs. All-time highs right here. So this could just mean pumps forever. What else do we have on daily? We have on ES, we have a consequent encroachment work here. Honestly, price action coming down to it, it's gonna be a good dump. We expect death at that point. We're just gonna mark it down just in case, you know. We never know when price action just wants to do the massive dump. Daily consequent encroachment wick. What else do we have? We have previous day high. So previous day high is a reasonable target for the shorts because we're so far up. So we can probably just come back down, retrace to this high, and then stay in this range. So that's a possible target. We're gonna mark down previous day low. Previous day low on ES. Obviously we're at all-time highs right now, so I'm gonna wait to see what happens around this area. I don't have anything up here unless we were to use a standard deviation, then obviously we have targets, but at this very moment we're gonna stay this way. If we press the set button, it does not change, so it's fine. All right, drop it down to the 4 hours. We just have nasty pumps. It's crazy. All right, we broke structure here. This is a candle that broke structure, so we still don't have a fair value gap. So this is, I'm not gonna be looking at this candle yet. However, this candle down here was the one that broke the highs. So this fair value gap to me is important. So I'll be looking for this fair value gap as a target for shorts. Price action is gonna want this. So we're gonna go ahead and put a consequent encroachment fair value gap wick candle here. So a 4 hour bullish fair value gap, a consequent encroachment. We'll delete this guy, and we're gonna delete this guy. What else do we have on the 4 hours? I'm not gonna touch this guy right now because there's probably a clear pump somewhere around here with a much smaller fair value gap, so I'm not interested on that. Anything else I'm interested in here on the 4 hour? Not really. Dropping down to the 1 hour time frame. This is when we can have more of a precise entry or target. So we know price action had a lot of interest in breaking structure here. Then the trend broke and the external high. Confluence with this fair value gap here on the 1 hour is the fact that we have the 4 hour consequent encroachment fair value gap. So at that point, this fair value gap becomes even much more attractive, right? So if we ever take shorts, this is where we want it to target. So let's say, for example, if price action was here, it bounces up, we enter shorts. We were gonna want to hold our positions towards this fair value gap here. That's the main concern. What else do we have? We have bullish breaker with a fair value gap, bullish breaker here on the 1 hour. So we can go ahead and just leave this guy out because this is a 1 hour fair value gap. It's important because it broke some internal highs, and this is a trend that broke the external high, right? So at that point, I like the attraction for it. Obviously, we don't have nothing up here right now, so we're just gonna wait to see what price action wants to do up here. On the 15-minute, if I really want to take shorts, I want this guy to get disrespected. So I'm looking for this guy to be disrespected so we can take shorts. Meanwhile, I'm gonna stay bullish. On the 5-minute, we just took out the highs. Now, compared to NQ, this is when I like to use the SMT. We just took out pre-market highs. So what does that tell me? This tells me that price action is hunting the highs, which obviously on ES, we're at all-time highs. On NQ, we're not. So the question here is, will ES respect this as a hunt and be a fake out? Or will this massive fair value gap that's probably going to be left behind in 2 minutes be the answer to more longs? So that's those are questions we have to ask ourselves. So what time is it already? We got a couple more minutes left. Drop down to the 1 minute. Okay. Seems that we're closing this for value gap behind. We might leave it open. The risk here is pretty valid for some longs. Never mind, we just closed it. That's good. That's pretty good. Really, really good. That's what we want. We want it to be a fake out. You buy side liquidity just hunted, so we have the lows. Now we want to see if we can get in shorts question here is how can we get in shorts, right? So we can target an inverse fair value gap. We want a fair value gap to get disrespected. Then we want price action to come back into it. So what do we have here? An inverse fair value gap is currently being disrespected. So what do I expect price action to do? I would like to see price action to come down, right? Bounce into consequent encroachment and then take shorts. That's assuming that this is a buy side liquidity hunt, right? So the probability here is worth it. So we can take shorts, stop loss, just about this high right here, covering this fair value gap and this fair value gap. Now if price action goes up to that one, then I'll rather take the loss, honestly. What is our target? So liquidity right here. Also, do not enter the trades I take today because I am strictly trading evals. Apex came on a 90% sell. So anything I take today is going to be on a paper account technically. So do not take it, please. Just giving you guys a heads up. Well, I should have entered with 2 minis. See if price action's gonna want to come for me again. Yeah, right. It's a risky, buddy. I am on paper. Paper. Remember, I'm trading paper. So actually, I'll do this so you guys can see. This is the one that got fucked. I don't know. I pressed the D button or something, and it just fucking automatically puts me in the trade. I have no idea what button I pressed, but it put me on the trade. So we'll see how this goes. We're looking for about 150 ticks. See if we can get some runners. If I can get this guy to drag down, Jesus Christ. Well, I can't drag it down for some reason. That's weird. Oh, but I could drag it over here. That's weird. Take partials whenever you guys want. I'm looking for the low. I cannot move my orders. What the hell? Oh, I can move them here. All right, now I see why. Okay, this is a 5-minute. Let's delete a couple things that we have here. All right. Also, just a reminder, I'm on paper here. Apex came on a full 90% promo. This is not my PA account. This is strictly an evaluation. Do not take these trades. Just a heads up. I'm on paper. Do not take these trades. I mean, I can care less if we take a loss here. Now, is the setup valid? 100%, right? My bias right now is shorts. I'm bearish right now because I'm looking at this as a pre-market buy side liquidity hunt. That's what I'm looking at here. So I'm taking shorts at an inverse, right? Price action came down to it, disrespected it. That's the reason why I'm taking shorts. Do we have a valid target down here? Yes, we have sell side liquidity down right here. So this is my target, right? So that's what I'm looking. I'm looking for 150 ticks. That's what I want. We take 150 ticks, we're fucking passing this account right now. I just added more to my position. Some good struggle here. Where's the 50% off of this guy here? Let's see. Alright, so stop losses are in a good spot for the 50%. That's not too bad. A lot of bullish momentum. We just grabbed this imbalance here. We should expect a rejection here. We're back a break even. I should have added on top, honestly. De-risk at break even if you guys want. Don't return. Like I said, I'm on paper. I am on paper here. I'm scalping. That's all I'm doing. Let's see if I can get it higher so I can add two contracts here. Alright, I added one more. I should have added on top, honestly. I really should have. But it is what it is. This is looking bullish though. I'm expecting that price action is going to respect this midpoint here on the 5-minute. So I really don't want to see this candle close above. That's what I want to. I want to see the candle close down. If it closes above, we're going to get stopped out no matter what. Let's put the stop loss right with the other one. We get stopped out. We get stopped out here. Why is this one not moving? No idea. Seems like we're going to get stopped out. Yep. Alright. Taking this loss right here, boys. Like I said, this is a paper account. Strictly trading evaluations. The risk was valid. It's all good. Wonder if it's going to want this guy right here. I didn't want to risk over 136 ticks, honestly. It was not worth it to me, but we'll see what happens. The reason why I put my stop loss here was because of this guy right here. So as you guys can see, this high. To me, this is a protected high. I probably should have done 10 ticks from here. 100 ticks. I mean, I would have been probably still in the trade right now, but we'll see what happens here. Now, if I do find an A+ setup, like the actual setups we normally take, then 100% I'll let you guys know, like, hey, this is an actual setup that I really want. But as of the right now, I'm scalping. I'm just looking to see what pricing does. Disrespects enter, you know, this promotion has us all trigger fingered happy. Bro, this just drops from here. It's gonna be crazy.
I hope so, because I'm still in it.
You're still in it? Damn, nice, yeah. Nice.
It missed me by a tick.
By a tick? That's funny. It grabbed me exactly where it went, and it's dropping now.
I de-risked a little at 30 ticks. I'm on a paper account too, but...
Good, good. Nice. Well, glad you're still in it. I got stopped out, so... I do expect this shit to drop though. The price action, so as you guys can see, the 5-minute one, see how we respected the 50%? That's what we wanted. We wanted this candle to keep staying below this, right? Because this becomes a nice order block. Price action should shut down now. I don't want to FOMO in. I really don't. Even though this is a paper, I still want to respect some rules. So I want to see if we break and close below with a fair value gap. Then at that point, if we break and close below the low, then we're going to go ahead and I'll add more. Like I'll add the entry again. But other than that, I'm not gonna FOMO in right now. Normally when you FOMO in like this after a while, it ends up blowing the account faster than we should have. I would like to see this drop though. I really do. I think this sell side liquidity does get hit. You took partials already, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, nice. All right, so that's good. See if we leave a fair value gap behind. If we leave a fair value gap behind and this trend breaks this low, then I'll like to see price action break the low, come back into the fair value gap, and then continue going lower, right? That's what we'll like to see. So we left the fair value gap. Question here is, do we enter now? Or do we wait for the low to break? That's the problem. We just tapped into it. All right, so the imbalance just got tapped. So that means if you would have entered, you should have entered there, right? If we want to enter there, I'm gonna wait. I'm just gonna stay on the sidelines on this one. I don't want to FOMO into another trade. But this will be the setup right here. Stop loss should be at the highs, right? So this will be another entry. But we got stopped out literally by ticks, by ticks. All right, just hit consequent encroachment. The reason why I'm not entering here at consequent encroachment for more shorts is because the trend did not break the low. So I can care less about this fair value gap now. Now, do I want it to be respected? Yeah, 100%. I want it to go lower, but I'm not gonna. There's no need for me to enter here because it didn't break the low. So that means it's not bullish right now. Right now, it's failing to make a new lower low, which means it can either make a higher high or it can fail to make a new higher high. Which now that shows you that there's bearish momentum, right? But silence right now, silence. Did you take partial and put your stop loss at break even?
Yep.
Good. Good, good. Nice. Good, good. We have one past account so far. Let's see. This one's good. Alright. So we have passed one. Let's see if we can pass another one. About a total of 4 accounts. So. And I only bought 25K. So obviously with 2 minis, we're simply looking for a 50 tick stop loss, which means will be $500, 500 bucks, or a 150 tick play, which means passes the account, right? So why am I doing it like this? Because obviously if we're looking for like some reasonable setups, we should see at least more than 100 ticks. But at the same time, if we get stopped out, 550 ticks is only 500 bucks, which means we have enough time to get a decent setup 3 times back to back, or lose 3 times back to back, right? So that's how I'm playing this. I'm not full porting, but I am playing it a bit more. I'm taking just trades that I normally won't. You know, like when I read price action, I normally say, oh, it's going to reject from this fair value gap, come back down, then go back up. Those are the plays I'm taking. Normally, I stay patient. If it's a PA account, stay patient, and I simply just wait for the actual right move. I don't wait for the consolidation move, right? But today, there's an Apex accounts. We're just trying to see if we can pass them real quick. So we're going to go ahead and just take the ones that we normally don't take. With reasonable, like some reason behind it at least. So as you guys can see, we never FOMO'd into this trade. Reason why is because this trend did not break the low, so there was no need for this fair value gap to be respected. So to us, this fair value gap right here is trash, right? Let's go ahead and remove all the clutter. All right, move this guy and remove this guy. So we expect the price action to respect this. Obviously, it did not respect the next time. This following move. Let's see what happens here at the 50%. Opposite. You counter what I do. I mean, dude, imagine if I take shorts, you take longs. It doesn't matter. One person's winning today. But if I take shorts, then you take shorts. If I win, you win. But if I lose, you lose. Might as well have a winner every time, right? That's what we should do. All right, this for value gap here is the final one of this whole trend. So we'll see if it just respects it or respects it. We can have a bounce from here. We can do this. This is possible. Let's remove this clutter. So we're currently looking at an inverse right here. Got disrespected. The trend also broke the external. The only reason why I don't like this inverse to actually take longs is because this trend didn't break the low, right? So if I would have liked this guy to at least tap a little bit more and then gets inverted with a BISI, which we did. We have two rules. This right here could be a valid entry for longs. I mean, it's a risky one, but we can definitely take this guy and then fucking pump it, you know? Now, at that point, the question here, are you bullish or are you bearish? What's your bias? We're at all-time highs on ES. How is ES looking right now? Today, we're going to take major losses and major wins. So far, we have one loss and one pass. I don't think I blew the account, though. I think we're still good. Yeah, we're still good. We have enough time to give it another shot. Didn't even come for the equivalent. We should see another drop here. There's no way it leaves without grabbing this guy or the SIBI. There's the inverse, I mean. There's no way, so we should come down. I should probably log out and see my other accounts already came in. Yeah, we got another fresh one, okay. Alright. 24 units, 250 risk. Thing's really bouncing off of this guy. That's crazy. What the hell? Oof. See what happens. Let's see. Da 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 bum 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 bum. Seems like it wants a bump. Let's see what happens here. Let's check out ES. See what ES is doing right now. ES is stationary. This is the 1 minute. Let's see the 5 minute. Alright, so ES at some point's gonna want this guy. How can we short it here? Boom, 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 boom. I don't want to just take an entry just like that. We have some SMT going, as you guys can see. Price action on NQ, bullish trend. Price action on ES, bearish trend. Let's get it tonight. Dun, dun, dun. Let's get it right now. Story of my life. Patience, they say patience. So we have SMT. Opposite trades, buddy. Opposites. Remember, if I take shorts, you take longs. We all have a winner at the end of the day. Right? Opposite. Now, if I take shorts and then you take shorts, we both end up losing. Come on. What's the point of this? Wesley. I'm doing pretty good, actually. We so far we have one past account and one about to. Well, we still have one enough for one more trade. We took a loss.
Both passed?
No,
No, I
he's
think
on 25K accounts.
yeah.
Gotcha. What the fuck happened end of day yesterday?
News, Nvidia.
There's more news?
No, Nvidia earnings.
Oh shit.
That's why the price action was so choppy yesterday.
Need to buy my Apex accounts. Are you updated?
My what?
Are you up?
A little bit on the day. I haven't used that new Apex account yet.
Those are the only ones we're releasing today. We're using Apex evaluations, 90% off, guys. 90%. I pay $16 for Apex accounts. 25K.
What did you buy?
I bought 4 accounts. I'm risking 2 minis. 50 tick stop loss, which means $500, and I'm targeting 150 tick TP, which means that will pass you the account. Now, if we lose, it's fine because now we have 3 more chances. In a way, obviously, drawdown kind of fucks you, but the whole point here is that if we can manage to get 2 trades in one account at 25K for 16 bucks in exchange for a pass, that's fine. Now, if I take longs, you take shorts. We all have a winner at the end of the day. We have a winner. At the end of the day, we have a winner. Full porting. Dun, 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 dun. Do expect this to go lower. ES needs to grab. Well, not needs to, but I say we come and grab this guy, and then I don't care if we bounce or dump, but we grab this guy for sure. NQ is just breaking this guy. It's most likely respecting this order block. Yeah, it's most likely respecting it. I still have no entry. I don't. Not at the moment. A lot of people pray the trend breakdown, right? When the trend breaks the line, then they put the stop at the highs. I've seen a lot of people do that. Dun, 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 dun. See what happens. Well, you know how long I've been waiting for this 90% off?
Oh, you've been waiting a while.
I have not bought accounts for that reason. I just bought 4. I just bought 4. I mean, I'm not going to buy so many.
I gotta buy more accounts on this shit.
Let's see. What are you looking at? Say we drop, honestly. What do you guys think?
The charts haven't looked yet. Yeah, I think downside definitely looks way better than upside.
Yeah, I think we do drop. We do drop. I am not gonna enter trade until I see a break below a low with a fair value gap. Obviously, this fair value gap right here. We should have just respected it earlier. My stop loss should have been above the highs. But price action should come, break the lows with it for value gap. I'll enter trade there. Until then, I'm on the sidelines.
What's the coupon code?
So, yeah, here, use this though. Here. Do me a favor, use this.
Oh, I got you.
I'll give you. Where is this at? No, what the hell? What does this do? What the hell? Oh, that makes you go there like that? That's crazy. Here, I'll just send you the code. Yeah, it's crazy. Statistics. We need to break a low. Low with a valley gap.
Neither you're able to watch that comment section.
Not really, because my Wi-Fi's being all shitty.
So weird.
Reset it. Oh, it's fine.
A choppy morning so far, huh? It was quiet. Quiet. Oh yeah. Thank you, buddy. Alright, seems like it is going down. Come on, can we break and close? Break and close with a Ferrari gap. Just remove the clutter. Come on. Ba, ba, ba. Good pump. Good pump. You know, it sucks because price action broke structure, closed above, but didn't not leave a fair value gap. That's what we wanted for long, so we can't take longs like this. Well, last time earlier today, I accidentally pressed a button, and apparently it bought a contract for me. So I gotta figure out what button that was. What are you guys thinking, man? Chat wise. Price action's gonna go up, down, sideways. I'm looking for short, so I'll be waiting for a market structure shift. That's what I'm waiting for. Break and close below a low. Damn, what's going on here? Break and close below a low. And then if it breaks and closes below a low with a fair value gap. Yeah, there we go, hips. I know you want downside. I like downside too. So just remember, we are at all-time highs on ES. So price action can just keep pumping today all day long. So the question here is, are we willing to risk with the trend, or are we gonna be so tied to our bias and short? That can fuck us up, right? Because sometimes it's best to just take the risk with the trend and I'd rather take the loss that way, because at the end of the day, you didn't counter trend, right? But there's times where you're like, fuck, I mean, this is probably the peak. And you take longs and it just dies, right? So That's the real issue here. I like longs. I really do. And the reason why I like longs is because I have targets for NQ, right? I have a 18,024 target, 17,987 target. Now, what do I expect when price action reaches these areas? I expect price action to do maybe a rejection here, come back down, failure to do high, and then come into the low side, right? That's possible. Or it can just bounce into this guy, create a new lower low, creating a new higher high. So I am going to take longs with one. If the setup is valid and we break and close above the high with a fair value gap, I will take my chances. I'm taking longs with an eval account. Remember, it's a paper account, guys. Paper. Shorts. Let's see what happens here. See if this candle breaks and closes above the high. How's the 1 minute looking here? Oh shit, like we have a nice 1 minute here with a fair value gap here. How's the risk? The risk valid? About 58 ticks, that's what we want. Do we have a target for longs? Is it 2-to-1 ratio? Yes, it's 2-to-1 ratio. I'm gonna take it here. Remember, it's paper, guys. Fucking paper. Paper. Huh? Yeah, this is my paper account. This is an evaluation, guys. Trust me. Do not follow this. I suggest you counter me instead. Somebody wins. Counters, man. Fucking. If I take longs, you take shorts. Simple as that. Somebody wins at the end of the day. Watch us both lose. Log out and log back in. So if you just buy an account, you bought an account right now, log out and then log back in. I mean, you still got to give it some time, but yeah. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and take it on this. I'm taking it on 2 accounts just because, you know, one is I'm taking it on the one that we just lost earlier, and then I'll take it heavier on this account. I'll take it with 20 micros. Bye. Put my stop loss at the low. Do not copy this trade. This is straight gamble. Yeah, on 25K. Remember, this is paper account for me. This is an evaluation. I only pay $16 for this. This is a gamble. This is not an A+ setup. Do not take this trade with your PA. Do not try to make money off of this. This is a gamble. And watch us take off without us. That's going to be nuts. Yeah, I mean, if this shit blows up, dude, we just buy another one. Who cares? We have 1 pass account and 1 loss today. That's what we have. We're 1-1. I'm just on a 25K account. We can lose a total of $1,500, right? I'm risking $670, which means I'm allowed to take 1 more trade after this before blowing the whole account, right? So that's the whole point of this. Like, when I normally trade on A+ setups, I'm risking $100, $125, right? So on a 25K account, your profit goal is $1,500. So why am I gonna buy a 50K account when I'm just expanding my life at that point, my lifespan? And it's gonna take forever for me to get there, right? Unless I go in heavier. But on a 25K account, I could still risk $100 let's say, for example. You have 15 back-to-back trades that you can lose before blowing an account. Right? So one thing I do want to see here is I want to see ES actually close above the highs, which is failing to do right now. That's not a good thing for us, right? Because if it doesn't close above the highs, price action is gonna fucking just die. At that point, we're currently at the highs too. So this is very, very risky, like super high risk. This is what you call a gamble, 100%. I'm just gambling with the trend. That's really what I'm doing. So to do not take this trade, please. Do not copy this.
Or if you do, expect it to lose.
Oh, yeah. It's 50-50.
50-50.
So it looks like it's taking off without. See, ES currently 4 seconds. This candle's about to close above the highs. Boom, this candle closed above the highs. This is a valid entry for longs now, but it didn't wick us in, unfortunately. What a bummer. Let's see how we leave for value gap here in ES. 5 minute on NQ. How are we looking? It's probably gonna come down for. See, NQ can do this. Come into this fair value gap and then pump like this. Our target is still valid. It has not been mitigated. Seems like it hunted buy sell liquidity, but we're gonna go with the trend. We're not gonna counter the trend. So I'm okay taking this entry here. Put my stop loss just a little below the fair value gap here.
Taking this on the 5 minute.
Off the 1 minute, but we can probably do something like this. Let's go ahead. We'll take 15 contracts, and then we're gonna do a 5 minute for value gap entry with 5 contracts at the bottom.
Nathan, I am going to take this 5 minute fair value gap on NQ to UXN
Yeah.
on my 25K that's not a PA.
It's a beautiful risk. Like just with 5 micros, we're risking $140 to make 460. That's a beautiful risk, right? That's the reason why I like playing with such small micros, like such small amount and target big areas. All right, for ES, we broke and closed above the highs, which is good. Now, can ES come down into this for value gap and bounce? Can we respect this BISI? ES has to come down, which means we expect NQ to come down, right? That's what we want. Like I said, do not take this to make money. Take it on paper. This is a gamble. I don't know how many times. I should probably say it multiple times, but it's all good though. Sometimes the first breakout is a fake out. Just eliminate the clutter. I just don't want to take it on ES. It's not worth it on me on ES. The ticks is gonna take forever. It's a what on ES? Every 10 ticks, I think on ES is $100.
You took 10 minis.
Now, if I were to take 10 minis, then all we need is 10 ticks, right? Or 15 ticks. Yeah, 15 ticks to pass the account.
Yep.
That's crazy. Alright, I just got tapped in on my first order. Let's see if price action wants to go a bit lower. We still need ES to go lower.
What's the max size position you can take on 25K?
I have no idea. I think 5 minis. I'm assuming. I have no idea. You know what I just saw?
What?
I just saw that it broke structure earlier here. And I left the fair value gap. I totally missed this. I did not see this guy. So shit. Yeah, that was 150 ticks right there. Alright, ES is at destination. Let's see what happens here in ES. Remember, do not take this trade. This is a gamble for me. I'm gambling on the Apex account. I am legit prepared to lose this shit right now. I'm in for 20 micros. Yep. Yeah, I can't believe I missed this. This is what we were looking for earlier. I totally spaced out. What the hell? Yeah, I would have taken this trade 100%. Unless I didn't miss it. I don't know. I can't remember at this point. Yeah, I did. I'm just so focused on trying to see if I can pass more than one account today. So like I'm just looking for like normal entries that I normally don't take. You know, we read price action. We normally say, okay, price action is gonna go up here. It's gonna come down. It's gonna break structure. Then it's gonna go up and then continue going lower. Right? Now, what is your bias today? My bias is bearish, 100%. Bias for today is bearish. So for my A plus setup, I'm looking for shorts, right? But right now I'm trading with papers, so I'm just trying to scalp to see what can happen, right? That's what we're doing right now. So that's the reason why I'm saying like strictly is like do not take this on any account that you're trying to make money off from because I am not doing that right now. So that's yeah, we're just trying to see if we can get a PA, right? Try to get another one. So this trade right here will pass this account 100%. If this trade hits, we pass this account, we move on to another one, and either we blow it, we pass another one. Now, overall bias is bearish, so I do want to take shorts as an overall bias. But right now for shorts, I don't have an entry. Like as an A plus setup, I do not. So take partials, take whatever you guys need to whenever you guys want to, because trail stop loss does fuck us a lot. That's the only bad part about the trail drawdown. So I'd rather be in drawdown for the entire time and then go green than being green, go into drawdown, then green. Because at that point, then we get fucked. See how we broke structure and we left a SIBI here? That right there's an entry for shorts. Just so you guys know. That right there, break even, is literally an entry for shorts. But I didn't want to counter the trend, that's why I took it. So it is what it is. Yeah. It took half of my size. That's what it did. That's funny. I'm still in with 6 contracts. If you guys are almost at break even here, just de-risk honestly, because that was the entry for shorts. Yeah, right here. We came down. We created a fair value gap. Right here. Oh fuck. Let me remove this clutter. Yeah, right there. That's an entry for shorts right here. So if you guys countered me, like I said earlier, you guys are green. Telling you, one of us is gonna be a winner today. So if I go longs, you go shorts, because I am gambling, which means most likely my trades are not gonna plan out the way I wanted to. Well, hopefully. I mean, it's a 50-50 chance. We have better risk here than we do at the casino. I'm big green right now. Fuck yeah. Good shit, Hips. Good shit. That's what we want to hear. I don't mind if I'm red, buddy. You should be green. That's what we want to hear. This just looks like it's going to go down, though. I'm gonna reverse this shit. Never mind, I can't.
You did.
I did reverse, but don't do this. I'm just, I'm just gambling. Why is this sell stop here? What does this mean? Oh, this means it adds to my position. All evals? Yes. Same. All gambles.
Nathan, I don't think you're not gambling this much on your 50K, are you?
What?
With your 50K that you just bought?
Not with 20 micros, no.
Damn, that reverse button came in clutch.
Coming to my stop loss.
We're up 29 ticks, 55 ticks.
Damn.
Take partials whenever you guys can.
That's death right there. Holy fuck.
Good, good, good. Take partials, guys. We're up 72 ticks. 75. Just take partials whenever you guys can. Alright, we just broke structure and we left it for Valley Gap. I'm gonna go ahead trim here. The reason why I'm gonna trim here is because I want price action to go a bit lower so I can trim more. When it comes back up, I'm gonna add more here. Right there. So I want to see if we can get 100 ticks and then I'll trim more. And then I'll add more to my position. Remember, we're bearish for the day, so we do want to see shorts. Do we have a target? We have sell side liquidity target. Do we also have another target down here for ES? Yes, we do. We have a 5-minute for Valley Gap that we created earlier at the morning. So we want to see if constant encroachment wants to get hit. So this is what I would like to see. I'd like to see price action come down here. And then if we break and close below a low with for Valley Gap, I'd like to see maybe a small retracement and then continue going lower into sell side liquidity, right? So that's what I like to see.
That was definitely a fake out though, but you're right.
Yep. Yeah, 100% fake out right here. So it is what it is, right?
Yes, sir.
Put your stop loss at break even and you guys don't want to risk it. I want to see 100 ticks. I want to trim at 100 ticks. And then if we can come down and bounce, we'll add more. Now, question here is, will ES break and close below the low? Because if it doesn't, that's not good for us too. Now, NQ right now is failing to go lower. There's a lot of stuff going on in here, so that's the only bad part. I took partials though, so if it goes against me, I'm only gonna lose. I legit trimmed half, so I'm gonna lose what I pretty much entered. We're almost at the Fair Valley Gap, so I'm actually gonna add more. I added a contract here at the Fair Valley Gap.
Nathan, I'm actually joining Doug's on man. Oh, did you already add it?
Yeah, I added at the tab. Yep, I added at the tab. I added another contract.
That did not hit my order.
That other account got fucked for sure though. Wait, not this account. Oh, this account is green somehow. Huh. Alright, let's see if we can enter a trade on this account. We're gonna put a limit order here. Our stop loss is gonna be the highs and we'll target the lows.
Now I think about it, why wouldn't you do a 25K with Apex?
Let's see, what do we have here? We have a high time frame BR inverse for rally gap.
Oh man.
Yep. Balance range. Yeah, that could be a target right there. Are you targeting that? gamer? All right, so this is what we have going on. We have 100 ticks, right? We failed to go to consequent encroachment, but we're breaking another low. So what does this mean? This means that price action can most likely leave us another fair value gap here, so we can add more to our position down here. So that's what we're gonna look for, right? We're gonna want to trail this whole thing. Good shit, dude. Hell yeah, you took a short too. I just trimmed at 100 ticks. Let's see if we leave a fair value gap. We want to leave a fair value gap here. That's what we want. What was your entry, gamer? Did you enter at the top?
Maybe you see it's creating a fair value gap on the 5 minute.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
We're gonna close this guy or what?
Maybe.
Maybe not. Alright, we're gonna add more here. We still have 6 more seconds. Let's see what happens if we add here. Add 10 contracts. The highs. Alright, I added more. I have my stop loss at the highs. Remember, straight gamble, straight gamble, straight gamble. Price action could want this one over here, and then we're fucked if it does. Right. Let me go into the other account. Let me see this account right here. No, not this one. We're gonna use this other one. Try to see if I can enter here. That's why. We're gonna enter here with 7 contracts on this account. Oh, it does not let me. Oh no. Oh, this is the one we took a loss earlier. That's why. This one's in. This one's not in. Alright, this one's in. Trying to juggle all the accounts is a pain in the butt. This is my stop loss, guys. Remember, I took partials on this trade. So whatever we're losing right now, it's literally part of our profits. Price action can come up here. Man, I should just do this. Fuck it. Don't do that though. That's so risky. Very, very risky. To that 1 minute for value gap. Yeah. I'm targeting the fucking lows. The lows. That's about 184 ticks. That's what we're looking for. I'm not taking partials from here now. No more partials from you guys. That's it. We're gonna pass this account right here. Yeah, fuck that shit. Alright. I added one more to my position. Obviously, I would recommend you guys do take partials. Straight up. The reason why I say this is because what if price action goes down and it goes back up? Goes down, then goes back up. Right? So that's the problem that we can have here. As trying to pass an Apex account with trails, the trail drawdown can fuck us. 100%. So 50 ticks, taking trim is not a bad idea. Let's go into this account, see how this account is doing. Oh, I couldn't take a trade on that one. Never mind. Yeah, take your partials. Nice. Yeah, take partials, guys. I should probably take partials too instead, huh?
No. But I'm not taking any partials, but I'm gonna add to my position if we come back up to the 5 minute fair value gap. Well, hasn't been created yet. But.
Yeah. We could probably just take partials here and then let it go back up to the 5 minute. That could be another thing we can do. We'll see. I should have taken partial at the 50, but we'll see. We're gonna hold. We're gonna hold. How's the 5 minute looking on NQ? I'm not even paying attention.
You just create a 5 minute fair value gap for
Oh shit. See, that's not good because it's gonna want to go up here.
It's okay, just have my position.
Yeah, but as a 25K account, I can't hold. Alright, I'm gonna take a partial here. I'll be on the red zone. I took a partial. Reason why I took a partial is because look at this. Price action can go up here and then continue going lower. Right? So I don't want to hold so much and then add here. When I can just trim here, make some profit, and then I'll add more to my position up here. And then I'll just get a better average. So I'll go ahead and I'll add 10 more here. Now this thing dies from here, then I'm fucked, obviously, right? But we don't care for that. Why is this 16?
Nathan, you taking that 5 minute fair value gap short?
Yeah, I was thinking that.
Do you think that's a good trade, Dubster? I'm thinking about taking it on my
No,
5K account.
no, I wouldn't take it on your PA. Reason why I wouldn't take it on your PA is because price action hasn't broke the lows yet. So which means this thing could still go up, right? So paper account 100%. Actual PA, don't take this. This is risky. Now, if you really want to take it on a PA account, price action needs to come back down, break a low. Then when it comes back up, it's gonna come down and break the external. Then it's gonna leave another fair value gap. That's the one we take because we just created the fake out, which means we just need to make sure it's 100% confirmed. Not until then, I won't risk my PA account, right? I'll risk it down here. Yes, you did, brother. Yeah, dude, you got out when you were supposed to too. That was fucking perfect. Like great fucking partial hit, dude. That's amazing. Yeah, right here, the entry right here for these shorts. My goodness. My goodness. Come on, buddy. Pump up and grab me.
I hope we do. I hope we will.
How many ticks do we need to pass to make 1500 with a 1 mini? Yeah.
You need 300 ticks.
The negative 1 hour. This guy right here, gamer. We took some partials, buddy. Yeah, we have a blown account already. We do.
Nathan,
17,970.
the sale's over. You should buy one 25K account too.
Oh shit, you took nice fucking sniper entry over there.
How's ES looking?
ES not looking good, I think. Oh, this is not ES.
Oh, it did actually. It left a 5 minute fair value gap.
I bought 4, 1 pass, 1 loss so far. It tapped into the 1 hour PDRA and took liquidity. Yeah, that's. See, I saw that. I didn't want to counter the trend, but no, that was fucking perfect entry. Look at that. Right here, that breaker. I was just trying to see if price action was going to take these longs. Target for longs. Yep. Hell yeah. How's the 5 minute looking on ES? I think it has to go up here. I don't think it goes down.
Up to the fair value gap?
Yeah. No, to the fair value gap. We'll see.
I hope it do.
Yeah. When this becomes a breakaway gap. At the end of the day, it does not matter. We're in with 10 contracts right now, which means if it drops, we're still going to make a decent amount. However, we do want to get tapped in over here, right? We want to be in with 20 contracts. The drop is going to be amazing, though. We're looking at 200. Oh, shit, that's from the top, though. We're looking for at least 180 ticks minimum.
Thoughts are about in the 40 contracts.
40 contracts?
And we'll have another buy for 40 contracts.
God damn.
So then we'll be in for 80 contracts. Maybe that's a little excessive, and I only need like.
Well, see, you're trying to just take one trade and pass or lose, right? That's your goal. Is that what you're like trying to do? Okay, I see what you mean. See, I'm not. I'm like, I'm going in on risky trades, but I'm okay taking the loss because then at the time, I just like walk away. And I'm done for the day. Take care. Hell yeah, buddy. Take it easy. Take it easy. Leave a like button if you can, bud. I don't know if they work, but I hear a lot of streamers say that. No idea. That's fucking funny. Hey, the struggle to pump is real. The struggle to dump is still real. Dude, why are my lines? So many lines. Extended price. There we go. Jesus Christ. Talk about the real clutter.
Oh, so Nathan.
Yeah.
Telephone pitch yesterday,
Yeah.
and I can. Although I guess you don't really go a lot of places, but there's also like a friends and family thing that I can give to people. Like they get like 50 to 70% off hotels.
Damn, that's pretty good.
So I can share that with you.
Oh yeah.
Get old bam. Bam, 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 bam.
Trying to figure out how.
You know, it's another way to gamble these by simply doing the fair value gap stop loss. Like nothing about anything about protect the low, nothing like that. Just taking full smart risk. I think that would be a better hit. I'll try that with the other count. If we blow this one, I'm gonna do it with the other count. Come on, buddy, go up, 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 up. It's funny because I wanted to go up, but then what if it goes up more than we wanted to? Anybody countering me? Come on, someone has to counter me. We should all be winners. I know Hibbs countered me earlier because I went in long. That dude's like, I'm in shorts. There you go. It's almost up. Keep on going. Keep on running. Alright, put stop loss right here. Tight stop loss at the fair value gaps. This will allow us to take one more trade with this account without blowing. Before blowing. Hell yeah, you did. Dude, did he pass the account at least?
I heard it. My buy just got in.
I'm tapped in. Let's see. Stop loss. I do have a stop loss on, just so you guys know. Because even though I am gambling, I'm still using a stop loss. So I can just take another trade with the account. What time is it, anyways? It's 11 o'clock. God damn, we're gonna be at the wrong side every time.
Just stopped out. Lost the account.
Boom. Massive loss here, boys. Massive loss.
Another fake out. L's, man. L's.
Beautiful morning, right? Beautiful morning for an A plus setup. Beautiful morning. We still don't have one yet. We're still waiting for an A plus setup. We want to see if a breaker. Want to see a break here or break on top. We're 2 for 1, guys. Oh, one out of two. 1 out of 2 so far. Or as, yep. So we blew up 2. Well, actually, can I still take a trade on this guy? Let's find out. Let's find out. Let me go with a micro. Let's see. Yep. All right, we still haven't blown the account. We can still take another trade. So we're still 1 for 1. 1 for 1. It did go to the top for rally gap. That's funny.
Dubs, you want to send me that coupon code for the 90% off? I'm gonna buy 25K too.
Yeah. Oh yeah. See. Copy.
I don't understand why it hasn't loaded all my action.
I just like I was almost down on this Apex account, so I just like bought 40 micros, like shorted 40 micros, and then it just dropped. And I was like, oh, okay. So now I'm back to break even.
Hey, there you go. You're getting that.
I was like, I'm just gonna fucking blow it quick and then cancel it. And I was like, oh, okay.
That's funny.
Dubs, you know what we should have done? We're idiots. We should have took it on the inverse.
On the blue? Yeah. Yeah, we could have done that.
5-minute inverse. No, that's what we didn't. Oh.
But I mean, there is. Yeah, I mean, we could have done that. This thing still looks good for shorts, though.
Actually, Nathan, you see it went right up to that liquidity void?
You know what happened too?
Is that where you shorted?
Yeah. Not intentionally. I just hit short. But yeah.
Oh, okay. But that's where you shorted.
29.
Damn, I should have entered on that liquidity void. It's fucking perfect.
Oh yeah, no, it fucked us. It fucked us.
We should have seen there was a liquidity void there too.
Where? On the 1 minute, 4 minute? Oh, I'm in a 4 minute.
Go to the 5-minute. I can see.
Oh yeah, right to a T. That's funny. Oh well, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. We have a chance to. We'll take one last trade with this account. One last trade. I'm still waiting for that A plus setup, guys. I really am. I should buy another account just to take it full port at the A plus setup as well. That's what I probably should though. I still think we'd go lower. Huh?
How do you have multiple of your accounts pulled up at a time? Like when I have to like in and out every single time to switch an account on Tradability.
I just go to manage accounts and I just click on them. That's what I do.
Oh, probably because one's a take profit.
Oh yeah, if it's to take profit, you have to log out.
Yeah.
You have to.
Oh man, they haven't given me my other accounts yet. It's taking a while, but as long as it's
I don't know, but it's good though, cause you ain't taking losses, so
You're sending
keep
money.
it that way.
nah. Fair, fair, fair.
That's funny. Might be another choppy day, huh? It's 11 a.m. London just closed. So you know what I like to see now? I like to see price action, take out buy side liquidity one more time, and then short, like die. But we're gonna wait though. I'm actually gonna wait now. I have one more account that we can blow up. Let's see. Nothing so far. A lot of people shorted today. And that's funny. You know that short we just took?
Yeah.
A lot of people took shorts on that one. A lot of people. So I don't know if you guys know who Tanya Trade is. She's an ICT trader. She took shorts here. She saw that it was invalidating, and then she took out a break even. We took shorts here. But we didn't take an invalidation. We just fucking took the dip, took the fucking loss. um, I always like going back and seeing the trades that people take. As ICT traders, I want to see what they're thinking. I want to see what they're looking at throughout the times and when I was looking at trades. I also like seeing ICTs whenever he posts his trades. After you blow it, will you cancel the account renew? Yeah, just blow that shit. You fucking cancel. You buy another account, buddy. Yeah, if you blow an account, just cancel that shit. It's cheaper to cancel than to wait for the renewal subscription because at that point you're gonna pay what the 80% offer is, right? So you're looking at $33 when you could just buy two more accounts with those $33. So now I'm spending specifically $16, right? Because I'm only using the 25K accounts, which is why you'll see me risking 20 micros at 50 ticks, which means 20 micros at 50 ticks, I'm risking $500. On a 25K account, you can lose up to 1,500. We have
Can you only lose 2,000
on a 50K, I think it's 2,500 if I'm not wrong.
It looks like my account got stopped up before 20,000.
Yeah. Yeah, so honestly, dude, Roland, just cancel the account and buy a new one. That's the best thing you can do. That's the cheapest route at the moment with 90% off. Now, obviously, I only bought four, right? So right now I have two accounts left. Um, I don't recommend you going out and gambling more than five accounts, because then at that point you're just gonna hurt your wallet. Because at the end, remember, you still have to pay the PA fees, right? So that's one thing. But what I do recommend is if you have a strategy, buy two accounts for your strategy and full port your strategy. You know, like put your stop loss where it's supposed to be and make your stop loss be the full port. And then that way your target is still smaller, but even though it's the fact that that's your A plus setup, you don't need to look for 100, 200, 300 ticks normally as you normally do on your normal setup. But at that point, if you full port, find out what your target is for that account to pass and then walk away. So that's what I'll be doing, right? So, but right now I have one more account that I can gamble. So, now even though I'm not taking entries just like that, I am trying to look for at least reasonable entries. So price action took out buy sell liquidity, comes down, breaks the internal low, damages the external. So I took a shorts here, right? So that was the whole reasoning behind this. Was it correct? No, it was incorrect. But we took some partials here though, because obviously we took longs here. We saw the mistake. We reversed. We came down. We made up 100 ticks. We took out partials, and then I added more. And then we took out the loss, right? So the account is still fine for one more account, one more trade. And we only reversed it because we saw the entry here for shorts. This right here was a shorts entry, so we reversed it here, and then it dropped, and we made profits. Now, the question here is, what are we gonna do? So that's all I'm waiting for. I'm looking for like a better setup right now. Even though we are kind of just going YOLO, doesn't matter. Hey, North, are you in here today?
Damn, wild logs.
Yeah, it's a good pump right here. It's all good. We have target for longs. See if we break and close well for value again. We need ES to break though. There's no way ES cannot break.
I can't do anything till they give me these accounts. So.
Dang, you still don't have the accounts?
No. Unless there's something I'm missing. There is.
That's funny. We still have not taken an A plus setup entry. We're still looking for that A plus setup. Uh, Obviously, our A plus setup is in the 5-minute time frame. What we look for an A plus setup, we look for a high or low, which means from 9:30 to 10 a.m. That's our high and a low. So this is our low from 9:30, and then at 10 a.m. This was a candle at 10 a.m. Obviously, we had a high beforehand. So this is our external high. This is our external low. What we look for is a breakout, as in a breakout with a fake out. Then the breakout should come down and break down closing below with a fair value gap, right? The reason why we did not take this though is because we still have not damaged the externals, which means this trend has to come down here and damage this guy in order for this fair value gap to be valid. So that's the reason why we don't short here as an A plus setup, because of that reason. Even though it did close below the low and damage the internal, I don't care about that. I want this guy to be damaged. I want the fake out with the damage on the external low. We did not have that today. So that's the reason we still don't take in a trade with our actual PA account. So it's, as of right now, it's all paper money. Everything's paper right now. A lot of streamers got off early today. They're like, fuck this chop. Do, 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 do.
Usually when you log in a trade, it just pulls up the contract and you sign it.
What you mean?
Like when you buy an Apex account, you have to sign that.
Yeah, so if you buy an Apex account, just log out, dude. Log out, or have you exit out TradingView completely?
No, I can't even log into Tradevate.
Yeah, you're fucked.
Yeah. I've logged out, logged in like 30 times.
Yeah. I wanted to take one loss with my PA account today, guys. One loss, one trade a day. That's what we want. So far, we got nothing. Also, as an inverse for rally gap trader on the 1 minute time frame, we can always look for a hunt and then a counter. So I'll draw what I mean. Let's say, for example, price action was bullish. Right? Price action is bullish. So what do we expect? We want to see if it causes a market structure shift. So now we go up. Say we have a failure to make a higher high. Price action then comes down, fails to make a lower low. Then it does a full counter, breaking equal highs. So then what we're looking for, we're still trying to short, right? So that means we're not going to get faked out here, which means we do not take longs. Then this trend breaks structure with a fair value gap, right? So what I mean is we broke structure with a bullish fair value gap, right? Because the trend is bullish. But we want to see this. We're looking for shorts. We're looking for a market structure shift. So we want to see price action now counter the lows, counters the trend, right? So we broke structure, BISI, and then what do? We counter the trend, and now we break these lows. So what does that mean? This right here means a market structure shift. So at that point, what I'm looking for to see is, did price action did respect this fair value gap right here? This BISI, right? If the answer is yes, it converts into an inverse fair value gap. So at that point, what are we going to have? We most likely have a fair value gap here, but we also most likely have a fair value gap here. Now, as an inverse fair value gap trader, we're going to wait for price action to come up here. This is a SIBI. And we enter, if they're both here, we're going to enter at the inverse for value gaps consequent encroachment, which means we take shorts at the inverse, and our stop loss is the high. Why is our stop loss a high? Because what if the trend is still bullish and we just got faked out? Then that's why we have stop losses, right? Then at that point, what are we looking for? We want price action to then continue going up, come back down, create a new breakout structure. And we always target the lows.
Nathan, do you have access to your account you just bought already?
Nope, I do not.
Okay.
So just a little example right here. Price action broke the highs, yes. Did it break with a fair value gap? No. So that already eliminates this guy right here. No BISI.
That's how I was thinking going out if you're buying accounts.
See right here? Broke in structure, the highs. Did we close above the highs? No. We just wicked it. So I don't care about it. We also did not leave a fair value gap here. So this is not an A plus setup, right? There's no inverse fair value gap to be created. Now, is this an inverse right here? Yes, 100%. Can we enter here for longs? Yes. But it just doesn't have the rules we want. So there's no reason for us to go longs here. So we always want to stay true to our rules. Do we have any news coming out soon? High impact. 3:15, we have a Fed speech. And then on the 1 minute, 11:30, 4-week bill. What time is it? Oh shit, we got 5 more minutes. It's probably waiting for that. No sir, no A plus yet. Let's see. What are you guys thinking though? Wesley? Nate?
Honestly, I don't feel all that safe about going long because we didn't break these highs again.
Okay.
You know? So I'd like to see us come back down, try to set retracement up, and then continue to break out. Also, I've been just kind of watching. I watched this video on like some 5-minute scalping on NQ,
Yeah.
and it's kind of interesting. He just uses it's really easy to describe, but I won't do this. But you use the 20 SMA, right? And then once a candle on the 5-minute crosses above the 20 SMA and closes, you enter longs or shorts off that candle with the stop loss below or above that candle. And you just take light positions.
I see.
But if it doesn't like continue in a trend, traders just get upset. Like the candle at 10:45, you would have just lost there. You would have entered shorts, and your stop loss would have been 160 ticks.
We're still not breaking out of this zone here.
So you got now.
Just the highs and lows.
Oh yeah. Maybe what we'll do is we'll come down here, we'll break these internal lows, we'll create an inverse fair
Mm-hmm.
Oh, what you looking at, Nathan?
Drinking some coffee right now. I'm fucking tired.
Tired.
I feel that. I'm tired too. I could not fall asleep last night.
Went to the gym this morning. I don't know why I did that.
FGD.
Yeah.
How many ticks was this? 60 ticks. Not bad. It's probably gonna want this guy down here. That's what I'm thinking. Came direct to the midpoint.
I knew I should have bought these last night.
I'm telling you, don't worry about it right now.
Yeah,
Market,
that's true.
market is chopping.
I have plenty of time. Maybe it's better that they don't ask me today.
Mm-hmm.
Wait, so Nathan, you already went to the gym, so you're not going to the gym again later, are you?
I don't know. We didn't do a whole lot this morning.
Oh, okay, okay. So I was gonna say I
We
need to
just
go
finished
gym
some of
too.
the accessory work that we had to do from a couple previous days that we just didn't get in at the night lifts or whatever.
It's 11:30.
Let me know when you're going to the gym and I'll go to the gym at the same time. Unless it's at like 5 p.m. I'm not going to the gym at 5 p.m. There's so many people there.
That's usually about the time I go, so 6 my time.
Fuck that. I ain't doing that. I'll
Most
go
people
legit.
in the room in my gym is like 5, not including us.
There was more than 5 there last time we were there.
Not including us.
Yeah, there was.
Got no entry right now.
Not
No
like
setting.
all using like the weight area, but there was way
Oh
more
yeah,
than
like I'm talking
there.
like the weight room area.
There's probably like 4 in there. Have they finished more of that gym yet?
Not quite yet. They've done a lot more framing for those bathrooms downstairs.
Mm.
And then I think they put sheetrock up in one area that I think was exposed when you were there.
Thinking longs might be the way for right now.
Long's the way.
Yeah, I'm not gonna enter anything on it. That's just what I think.
I've got
Yeah.
I don't care about it.
checking in TF MSS like an A plus setup.
Yeah. Yep. I think 11:30 might be the. Oh shit! It's already 11:30. Man, this guy is never. It's the 4 week bill and the 8 week bill. News hasn't came for it though. It's still taking a while. Then we have 15-year mortgage, 30-year mortgage at 12 during lunchtime. And then at 1 o'clock we have the 30-year tips auctions. Then we have another Fed speech at 3:15. We got nothing but news all day. What the hell?
Most are gambling on it.
Right? See, the thing is that this type of news doesn't really bring volatility to the market.
No.
That's the thing.
Is
Mm-hmm.
that speaker?
No, not really, honestly. But out of everything right now, if I were to gamble, I'd take longs. That's what I would do if I were to gamble. I'm not gonna take it though. I do want to enter very specific areas, even though it is a gamble, high risk. I'd rather enter. Like right now, I should probably enter longs down here due to this guy right here. You know, to protect the low. But we didn't, so I'm not gonna chase it.
Yeah. Well, here, there, you're breaking your highs now. You're happy with that? Trying to treat.
It just broke the highs. It just broke the highs. Aki's in the other Discord. Wonder if Aki's there.
Oh, the swooshes.
No.
Which Discord is it?
Oh, Features Initiative. I don't even know if he's there though. Let's find out. Hey, buddy. You're alive? Playing BF 2024 Battlefield. In the meantime. Not bad. Dude, that's smart. I actually, I play, what is it called?
Aki.
Where's that game called? Legion Tower Defense. And the reason why I play that game is because I can still look at the charts while playing that game. You know, I don't have to like for example in Battlefield, you have to aim, you have to be concentrating, focused. You know, you can die, but not really. Morning session was good, 1,000 plus on Top Step, but blew up one. I'm playing Valorant. That's funny. And I got one, but I got 100 plus. Okay. See, I have one this morning. I passed one, and then I blew up one. So I'm 1 for 1, right? But then we also took a loss earlier, so now I'm down on one account. But I have one account that's fucking fresh still. So we still have a good morning either way. Even though we took a loss, it's still a good morning. But we still want to see if we can pass another one. So we'll see what's up. And then also, an A plus setup hasn't been born yet, so we're still waiting for that thing to be created. Yeah, I'm playing Valorant, dude. We gotta play Valorant together. I don't have Battlefield, so I can't say we gotta play together. But I do have Valorant, and I love to use that fucking minigun. What is that thing? The Odin, dude. I troll people with that shit. You do not want to see me Odin, and then I use Sari or no, it's not Sari. What the fuck's her name? Neon. I use Neon. So I rush in, dude. I slide and I start spraying. That's my method. On Call of Duty, I rush in with a rush and I start shanking people. You know, I'm gonna start knifing the fuck out of people. Oh shit! Look, look, look. This is perfect on the market right now. Let's see what we have here on the 1 minute for NQ. We didn't leave a bullish for Valley Gap. Son of a bitch. We left it on NQ on ES though. So we'll see if ES reacts to this inverse for Valley Gap. We did not leave a SIBI here, so that was very unfortunate for us. We're trying to look for shorts. That's what I'm looking for. Neon, the running girl. Hell yeah. Bro, naming league champions for Valorant. I know. Dude, I'm a big League of Legends fans. I played League of Legends since I was in high school back in 2015. I was playing, that was senior year, so I was playing way before that. I've been playing League of Legends for over a decade, put it that way. So I started when it was fresh. I play Misfortune as a ADC. I'm an ADC player and a jungle. If you see me in jungle, I gank at level 1. I would definitely go into your lane at level 1. I also play weird ass champions on the jungle. But as an ADC, don't do this. But as an ADC, I am fucking in the front lines, you know, which I'm not supposed to, right? That's me. I went to League of Legends Park when I was in Korea last trip. It was so fire, dude. I gotta do that now. Was there during Worlds, and it was so fun. I actually went to a League of Legends was a competition. I went back at the Staples Center in LA. I went to that one back in 2000. Don't quote me on this because I can't remember. I don't know if it was 15 or 14. It was during high school, but I did that. I bet it was fun. That's how I got into the whole CamCon shit. CamCon, the CamCon. That wasn't too bad. I used to go to the ones in San Diego. I know they make one here in Arizona, but it's just if you've been to the one in San Diego, the ones in Arizona are lame. It's not the same because it's so small compared to the ones in San Diego. All right, so ES is reacting to this inverse for rally gap here. That's fucking amazing. So that reaction there is really good for ES. So on the 1 minute, there's a BISI that broke structure, right? But we're not gonna take it on ES. We still want to find our confirmation on NQ. Now, can NQ reject from here? Yes, 100%. It's at an order block. We're at the mean threshold right now, right? So we're at the midpoint, but we're not gonna take it because it's risky for us. So even though we're trying to gamble, we're still trying to at least be a reasonable gambler.
I mean, it's relatively equal highs.
Yeah, so but if I were to like go fucking nuts right now, I would short right here. 100% inverse for rally gap short. That's what I will do, right? And then stop loss above the highs.
If I had an account right now, I would.
32 tick stop loss is not bad. Our confluence here is ES, obviously. How's a 5 minute looking on NQ? Yeah, 5 minute doesn't look like it wants to go down some. There's no need for us to enter right now. There really isn't.
Oh wait,
So
I might have another trade fake account running now. There it is.
yeah, I like that.
Okay.
We were at the bearish inverse rally gap as well on NQ. I am waiting for it to reject from the consequent encroachment. Yep, we want full confirmation, right? Now, if price action comes down, let's say for example, price action wants to come down, break the low at 953, leaving it for rally gap, then at that point I'm shorting. I'll short again. I have the intentions to short again. If not, we blow up another account and GG for the day. Because at that point, I don't think we'll have an A plus setup. It's already 11:42. Obviously, we like to take a trade between 10 or 11. We got chopped out in the morning. There's really nothing that was worth taking unless we took longs here at the bottom, but that doesn't validate my rules, so I can't take it as a plus setup. Well, just the way things look right now on the 5 minute, gun to my head. What do I take as a gamble? I say I short. That's what I would do. I'll take the gamble to shorts. What's the 15 minute telling me? Let me see. Yeah, see, this is why we're shorting 100%. Like 15 minute final for rally gap here. Yeah, gun to my head. I short. What are we doing here? We're respecting the consequent encroachment. So that's what we're doing. It's been respected this whole time. Can we actually respect it though? It looks like it might. I kind of. Damn, I kind of want to take it now. We're still at consequent encroachment, so this is a perfect entry still. And stop loss could be the highest, right? about 60, 70 tick stop loss. We're gonna target the lows, looking for a 200 tick hit. That's not that bad, but that's not bad. Hey gamer, who do you play as on Valorant? I want to know if you're like the technical player or are you the one that shorts? Nice. All right, good luck, buddy. Hope that trade is green for you. I don't like playing the technical ones. Phoenix and Reyna or Sage. Yeah. Yeah. I have never played Phoenix. I think I played Sage before. I hate her. I play Reyna though. I do play Reyna. I don't play her as often. Yeah, I hate Sage and Phoenix. It's just ever since Neon came out, I feel like every other character is so slow. So to me, it's just trash, right? Like, there's no need for me to be in there. But gun to my head, I short here, guys. That's what I would do. I like having health boosts all the time. That's why. Alright, you should be green if you shorted Wesley.
Yeah.
Good shit, Wesley. Sub 35 ticks. You took it too? Fuck yeah, you guys should be green.
Oh, I should have took 2 instead of 1.
I took 40 micros.
Hell yeah, you did.
What?
I'm up $700 right now.
Nice.
We're still at the consequent encroachment? Yes, we still are. I could probably just take a shot here and put the stop loss at the highs, right?
Yeah, I mean, my stop is outside of the 15-minute fair value gap.
Alright, I'm gonna go in with 3 micros. Nothing too crazy. Give it a shot here. I'll put stop loss at the highs.
Alright, I trimmed down to 20 micros. 6 ticks.
Nice. Now, reason why
Bruh.
I'm going in with 3 micros, sorry, is because I'm waiting for the fair value gap, and then I'll add like 20 contracts.
Yeah.
Right. So.
And then I had like 20 contracts.
Yeah. So, don't take this though. Don't take this. This is just to see if it's gonna confirm or not. Oh shit! Welcome back. Yeah, Neon is super fast, dude. That's the reason why I like her. Just fucking spawn, sprint, slide, shoot, and hope for the best you don't die.
Especially lunchtime without internet stuff.
Oh yeah, it is lunchtime, huh? What time is it? Damn. Yeah, that's true.
Well, I just got my 50k Apex back to actually break even, so I just cut right there.
Yeah, I actually just cut too.
I was down like
Oh,
$2,000 not that long ago, so
right after I cut it, it drops another fucking 30 ticks. Whatever.
Yeah, it's not too bad.
40 ticks.
You guys should be up,
I got out just a second ago.
bro.
Oh my
Dude,
god.
look at the ES drop compared to fucking. That was an amazing inverse for like 19 ticks on ES. That's fucking ridiculous.
Hey man, just got out because it was and then oh my fucking god. And then it drops 80 ticks within a matter of 30 seconds.
Who would have thought ES wins for the day?
I would have held that 40. I think I'd be pretty damn close to my
I
50k.
If we break structure and leave a fair value gap, we're adding 20 contracts, right? That's what we're doing. Oh, I should have trimmed down here just to secure some prof. Uh,
There's your fair value gap.
Dutch, we have yeah, dude, ES fucking died like it had a gun to its head. Dude. I'm telling you that was crazy. You do not expect ES to take over volume. Dutch, we have 1 pass and 1 loss, 1 blown account so far. So we're 1 for 1 right now. So 1 for 1 so far. Do we do it for Valley Gap or not? Yeah.
Yo, 1 minute.
Alright, we left it. We're fucking going in. We're gonna take this. Yeah, I'm going in shorts here. I'm gonna take it on different accounts. And then I'll go in shorts here. We're gonna go in 20 contracts. Yeah, at the 1 minute. It's risky, buddy. I remember, guys. This is fucking paper account right here. This is legit a fucking evaluation. Do not take this with any PA. So if you lose, counter me instead, dude. There's gonna be a winner. If I'm shorting, you go longs. 100%. If I'm shorting, you go longs. Why? If I win, you lose. If you win, I lose. But we all win at some point. Oh, that's funny. Nah, but we're gonna give it a shot. Do we have valid targets? Yes, we do. We have a valid target here. Our stop loss is gonna be just above these highs right here. I'm targeting for a 52 tick stop loss. Right, so that's what we have. Let's go check the other count. Limit order here has not been met. Yeah, we're limit order here. We're up 30, 45 ticks so far. I'm countering you, looking for longs at the 50-minute for Valley Gap. Good shit, dude. Fuck yeah. Take those longs. Obviously, take partials, guys. Take partials. We're up 50 ticks again. That's fucking weird.
Got in?
Yeah, I got in earlier, remember?
That.
It's still the same. No, I still no full.
Bro, I'm upset I fucking sold it.
This bitch is gonna go off without us. How's the 5-minute looking right now?
You can't buy this one contract because then you can't trim.
How's the 5-minute looking here? We're gonna put that right there. How's the 15-minute? You're trying to look longs at the 15-minute. Oh, I see. Yeah, it's possible. I'm gonna short this shit though. I don't know, man. I recommend you countering me actually, because remember this is not an A+ setup. So why would you not counter me at an A+ setup? It's better. It got me nervous. Well, put it this way. I'm taking this on a paper account. So that should actually boost your confidence, which means it's not. There's no confidence for me. There's YouTube emojis. My entry was 984, missed it by 3 points. Oh shit. Talking about that, I got missed right now too.
Yeah, I was watching that.
Oh fuck. We didn't get hit at consequent encroachment.
Got missed.
Wait, did I get missed on the other account too?
It went up
Oh.
constant encroachment on yes though.
Wrong account. Damn, I got missed on this account too. What a... Damn. FOMO in, right? Nah. We're still in the trade. We're up 29 ticks. We're trying to add more. It's okay. It's okay. On ES. How's the 1 minute looking on ES? Oh, I see what you mean. I mean, this drop could be a fake out though, so. Yeah, it could be a fake out. My entry was 984, missed by 3 ticks. God damn, buddy. Alright, again, we're almost at 50 ticks again. Just about 50 ticks. Take profits whenever you guys want. I'm obviously trying to add more, so. I got missed on that entry. He got missed too. He's crying inside. Oh, fuck. That sucks, buddy. We all got missed. Even my other account got missed, so. I'm very unfortunate right now. Alright, we'll see if we break and close another. If we break and close another for value gap, we'll just add more there, you know? No, I'm not taking any trades unfunded. The reason why I'm not taking any trades unfunded is because Apex came out with this 90%, so I'm just trying to see if we can get more Apex, more PA accounts. So I'm not, even though I am looking for an A plus setup, I'm not really focused on the trades right now I'm taking. They're more of a, what I normally do is I read price action and I expect a rejection from here, but I don't take those trades, right? Because they're not A plus setups. So those are the trades I'm taking right now, the ones that I normally don't take. That's what I'm doing. So that's why I keep saying like these are specifically paper accounts because I'm not trading on my funded. So I don't want you guys to trade on a funded when I'm not even doing it myself. Well, we're up 55 ticks. Take partials if you guys are up. Obviously, most of us did not get wicked in. So, and some of you guys sold early.
I only had one contract, man. It's too rough.
It's all good, buddy. It's all good. It's all good.
Yeah, it's just so funny.
Say we break the lows. I cannot believe ES died this much though. And the entry for ES was perfect too. 30 ticks, just about 39, 29 ticks to be exact from the entry. That's insane. On ES, that's insane.
Yes, that is a lot.
See if we drop. See if we drop. I'm gonna take one partial here, secure, and then I have micros. I have one contract left. I'm trying to add 10 more though. Now I do not like the fact that we just dumped, then we pumped, then we dumped, and then we pump again. That's not a good sign for us, right? That's looking bullish. Especially right here, like what do we have? We're respecting this for value gap. So we're at a 5-minute for value gap right here. We're respecting this guy. We gotta disrespect this fucker. So what is price action most likely gonna do? It's gonna come up to this 5-minute and then can come down, right? But this could also be a bullish sign. Reason why is this a bullish sign? Because we have not breaking out of this section. So to answer your question, Gabriel, this is also another reason why I'm not trading on my PA because this chop is not good. We have external low, external high. We're still inside the range. Same thing on ES, as you can see, external high and external low. We're still in the same range. So there's no reason for us to even take a PA account trade. It's just anything inside this range is a gamble. It's just accumulating. It's just consolidation. It's better than a barcode though because we have barcode, pump, dump, barcode, pump, barcode, and then dump. So, will we get tapped? To be continued.
Wesley, you getting on enshrouded?
And shrouded.
We are almost there, almost lunchtime, huh?
Oh, it is lunchtime soon, huh? I'm gonna take the limit order from the other account off. I'm not gonna take it during lunch.
Yeah, I didn't take lunch.
Alright, I'm only gonna take it on one account. Which one did you buy? 25K, buddy. 25K.
Yeah, I'll hop on. Charlie. Can't wait for my accounts to come over anyway.
1500 profit target. 2 minis at 150 ticks makes 1,500 with stop loss at 50 ticks.
When we beat Enshrouded, we might have to buy Helldivers.
Yeah.
So stop loss just above the highs, about 54 tick stop loss.
I'm gonna go make some food quick, so I'll be back in a little bit though.
I will do the same.
We're back at 46 ticks. Jesus Christ. Chop, chop, chop. No, it has not. 15-minute for rally gap. Oh yeah, on top at the contract when it grows rate. Uh huh.
That's where you entered.
Are you talking about the trade that I'm currently in, or how many do I buy in general? Because I was trying to get in 20 contracts. Oh, oh, I see what you're talking about. Mm-hmm. All right, that's up to 100 ticks right there. If you are in trim, this is when we want to trim. Obviously, we're looking for a fair value gap here. We're looking for a fair value gap so we can add to our position, right? That's what we want. So we want to see. Now, do we expect the bounce from here? Yes, this could be a bullish bounce due to the fair value gap, right? So 100%, this is high risk entry. So if we see a fair value gap here, we add shorts. If we do not see that, we automatically get out of our trade. Our stop loss is at break even now. We're up 82 ticks. There's no need for us to go red now. But yeah, Aki, that thing rejected 3 times. Mm-hmm. Uh-huh. So longs here is a good opportunity. Consequent encroachment. Boom. Perfect opportunity. Yep. I'm buying stop losses at break even, guys. That was 100 ticks. I hope you guys took partials. And as you guys can see, we're not leaving a fair value gap right here behind. So that's not good for us, right? That's very bullish. So it's all good. It's all good. All right, price action's coming back up. I have my stop loss at 958, so probably about profit in like 10 ticks, 15 tick profit, right? The reason why I didn't trim there because I was really expecting to see if there's gonna be a bearish for value gap. So if we had that, then obviously that would have been my trim level, but we don't have that, so I couldn't add here. There's no need for me to add here. On the 5 minute, fucking disgusting. We have no direction. On the yeah, we have no direction here. So we are in lunchtime now. So from now on, I am not taking trades anymore. This is legit the last trade of the day. No, not on PA. There's no A plus setups today. Not a single A plus setup. We should reject here. There's a bunch of order blocks. I have no idea where my phone's at now. Where is my phone? Charging apparently. We're about to get stopped out here at break even. Alright, I'm all out here at break even. I wonder if it just comes back into this 1 minute for rally gap, the one entry from earlier, and then it dies. See how well this guy gets respected here. That's not bad. 100 tick play. We got missed on the first one. On the second add-ons. That sucks. Price action needs to disrespect this guy if it wants to go higher. It should disrespect it though. That was a perfect bounce on ES as well. We have a 1 minute for rally gap here where it bounced from, so that was really good. Alright guys, I am done for the day. I'll catch up with you guys later. I was just